back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're one of the ones that clicked on a video and decided to stick around and be a part of the Time with April family, well then thank you so much for all your support. If you want to be a part of the Time with April family, then go ahead and hit that subscriber button and don't forget the notification bell. I will be coming out with another skincare review, and that's why it's always important to hit that notification bell just so you know every time I upload a video. So fall is finally here, thank goodness, and it's time to break out all the pumpkin pie spice recipes, and please don't get discouraged or click away or unsubscribe if you're really sick of pumpkin pie spice, because I really think you're going to enjoy this recipe. It's a fall pumpkin pie spice muffin with a little bit of twist to it, so if you want to see exactly what I mean, then just keep watching. So I have a 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree and 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice. I have 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use a half a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 eggs. Also a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of sea salt. And I'm going to swirl in a mixture with 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, the yolk of 1 egg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And I filled a muffin pan with some paper muffin cups. So in my mixing bowl, I'm just going to go ahead and add the entire can of pureed pumpkin. Now I'm ready to add the granulated sugar along with the brown sugar. I'm going to put the paddle on my mixer, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. Now that everything is combined and nice and smooth, I'm ready to add my eggs and make sure they're room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetable oil. This is what's going to keep your muffins moist, and also the vanilla. Now I'm going to give everything a final mix. I'm going to make sure that all the wet ingredients are combined really well, and this is when you begin to smell that vanilla. It smells amazing. Now I'm going to put together the dry ingredients. So along with the flour, I'm going to put in the pumpkin pie spice, the baking soda, a little bit of sea salt, and I'm just going to take a whisk and mix everything together. Okay, so now I'm ready to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and I'm going to start off by just adding half of it, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that up. Once this is all mixed up, then I'm just going to add the second half of the flour mixture. So before I mix it, I'm going to grab a spatula and just scrape the sides of the bowl, and I'm going to give it another good mix. And as you can see, there's still flour on the sides of the bowl. I'm going to scrape it again and give it one final mix. I just want to make sure that I grab all the ingredients so I can get that perfect, nice and smooth dough. As you can see, this is the consistency that you should have, nice, creamy, and smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my bowl from the mixer, and I'm going to go over to the muffin pans. As you can see, I already lined my pans with the muffin cup. I grabbed an ice cream scooper, and I'm going to fill up my cups about a little over halfway, or probably even a little bit more. I like my muffins to be really big, and I don't worry about it spilling over or anything. I really like big muffins, and this recipe makes between 12 and 18, but it just depends on how much filling you put in your cups. Now I'm ready for the cream cheese filling, so I'm going to go ahead and add the cream cheese to the bowl. I'm going to add the yolk of 1 egg, along with the granulated sugar and the 2 tablespoons of vanilla. I went ahead and put on my whisk attachment, and I'm going to go ahead and mix all this together. And by the way, I just really love my KitchenAid mixer. It just makes baking so much easier. So you'll notice that the consistency isn't going to be as creamy as the first mixture, but don't worry about it. Once it bakes off, it's going to be all good. I'm going to take the bowl off the mixer, and I'm going to head back over to the muffins. So I'm going to take that cream cheese filling, and I'm just going to grab a teaspoon and just add some of it on top of the muffin dough. So this is the twist that I mentioned in the beginning of the video, or maybe I should have said a swirl. You can just grab a knife or a fork, I have a toothpick, and just swirl in the cream cheese mixture along with the pumpkin mixture, and between these two flavors, this is what's going to make your muffins so good. It's so delicious. So I preheated my oven at 375 degrees, and depending on how hot your oven gets, I'm going to bake it off between 18 and 25 minutes. So my muffins are done baking, and I swear your house is going to smell like pumpkin pie spice and vanilla. Perfect for the fall, perfect for the holidays. Make sure to enjoy these muffins while they're nice and warm, and I know we get a little carried away with all the pumpkin pie spice during this time of year, but if you make this recipe, I guarantee you will fall in love. And that's it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it will help my channel out a whole lot. And if you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be excited to read it, and let me know what you think. Before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.